Indonesia is the homeland for various horticulture families from tropical regions. One of them is mangosteen. Mangosteen is a tree-form fruit plant cultivated in some regions in Indonesia like West Java, East Java, Central Java, North Sumatra, Bengkulu, and other regions with annual rainfall on average of 1,500 to 2,500 millimeters. The ideal average temperature for mangosteen ranges from 22 up to 33 degrees Celsius. Land for mangosteen cultivation in Indonesia has met the standards set for export quality, evidenced by certification of agricultural land. In Indonesia, mangosteen is cultivated using the seeds meeting the standards. After the planting process, the cultivation of mangosteen continues to growing stage. In the growing process of mangosteen fruit plants or trees, soil surgeon and branch cutting is carried out in gradual stages. Growing of mangosteen trees comply with the GAP standards or the Good Agricultural Practices. The flowers from these trees will grow when mangosteen trees reach the age of 5 up to 7 years. The period of fruit harvest is about 114 days after the flowers bloom. Usually, this Indonesian original fruit, in Latin called Garcinia mangostana, will enter its harvest period from November until March. The harvest process is carried out with caution to maintain the quality of fruit peel. Harvesting is carried out by picking or cutting the base of fruit stalk. During the peak period of production, one mangosteen tree cultivated in Indonesia can produce up to 3,000 fruits. With appropriate planting and growing methods, the cultivation area in Indonesia will meet the market demand. After harvesting, this queen of fruit is sorted by quality. Only the best fruits will be sorted for export from Indonesia. After fruit sorting is completed, best quality mangosteen will be packaged. To preserve the quality and intactness of mangosteen, they are stored in a container placed in cool storage. At a temperature of 4 up to 6 degrees Celsius, the fruit will last for 40 days. With long storability of mangosteen, this fruit can be one of the priority commodities for export from Indonesia. From the best lands in Indonesia, this fruit can be exported to over 30 countries in the world, with 10 major countries of destination like Hong Kong, Malaysia, Vietnam, Singapore, United Arab Emirates, China, Saudi Arabia, France, Kuwait and the Netherlands, and the next destinations are Australia and New Zealand. The queen of fruit. Mangosteen has reddish-purple thick fruit peel with white pulp. The fruit with superior quality is usually 5 to 6 centimeters in diameter, with an average weight of 80 up to 130 grams per fruit. Mangosteen fruit contains calorie, protein, good fat, carbohydrate, fiber, iron, calcium, and other important nutrients necessary for the human body. Mangosteen has been recognized as a cancer cure fruit. Research showed that this queen of fruit contains a high degree of antioxidants like xanthines, tannins, phenolic acid, and anthocyanins. Xanthines in mangus fruit skin functions as antibacterial, anti-tumor, and anti-cancer. This fruit will help in preventing the growth of cells in leukemia patients. Mangosteen fruit also recovers the elasticity of blood vessels through antimicrobial and antioxidant in the fruit. Mangosteen fruit can be consumed directly by eating the pulp or pre-processed into syrup, puree, and juice. Manggis fruit peel may be consumed also through pre-process to have the peel extract directly useful for the human body.